Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Zavilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar for 18th March 2021. So this analysis is for 18th March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 19th March. And I apologize, I failed to bring videos yesterday because I was stuck with some personal work. So I apologize. Anyways, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. And I bring videos on daily basis so that I can contribute to some extent in your forex journey. And you can also check out the forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that right now market is trading at 1.3971. Okay, and you can see that market is in a range right now. After this big fall, market is in range. And sorry, I forgot to write here. Okay, now just give me a few seconds. GBP USD. Actually, I need to apologize because of not being so professional. You can see that I do not have a professional background also. Okay, I just do not get time to edit the videos. I simply record the videos and I upload it. Even I do not replay my videos. I'm extremely sorry. Okay. Okay, so now we are ready. Okay, so we can see that market was in range, and the market is still trading in the range. And the best part is, okay, market has just received the resistance from this level 1.4004 level, and market is getting price rejection from above as well. So for me, this is a best position to short the market. First of all, market is getting price rejection from above. Market has hit the resistance. Okay, price rejection is there. Market has hit the resistance and failed to cross the level. Okay, and third, market is in overbought zone. So three conditions are met here. Okay, so this is the very good opportunity to short the market. Just put your stop loss below this resistance. Okay, just put your stop loss below this resistance. That's it, or below this level. This level. In case in case you have already short the market, then you have done a very good thing, because whenever you will see a range like this in future also, you can easily short the market. Okay, your one or two trades may go wrong, but in the long run you will be making money at least in 7 trades out of 10. Okay, so this is a very good opportunity. People generally say that it is very risky or it is very tough to trade in a range bound market, but I prefer to trade in a range bound market because I get confidence, because I prefer to trade from level to level. Okay, anyways, this is a I'm saying again, this is a very good opportunity to short the market here, because you can see that three conditions are already met here. And on the other hand, if you're watching the video late, okay, then if you have missed the opportunity, then wait for the market to come down to this level and just observe. If market come down to this support level, then just observe how the price is doing. Okay, if you see that price is getting rejection from below, okay, like this, or if you see a hammer kind of a pattern, okay, or a big green candle like this, bullish engulfing pattern, or Marubozu, then this is a clear sign that market is respecting the support and market is about to bounce back from here. If you see that market is about to bounce back, then you can buy here. And in case market crosses this level, then you can short the market. Okay, but just make sure that the price is being supported by volume, and most importantly, wait for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, because this is a valid support, and if market crosses this level, wait for 2 to 3 hours. And if you see that after waiting, that market is still trading below this level comfortably, and sellers are dominating the market, then the support has become the resistance. It's not it, and then you can easily short the market here. But as of now, this is a very good opportunity to short the market here. Okay. even if this trade goes wrong, but in the long run you'll always be making money in a setup like this. Okay, so short the market. So this is a simple analysis from my side. Okay, hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. Do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much. Good luck. See you tomorrow again, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.